Hello, welcome my YouTube family. How to stop auto screen off in Windows 10. So guys, it's very simple method. Please like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. Please support here my new channel. So guys, click on. So guys, is click on setting. So guys, is system. Click on. Scroll down. So guys, is power and sleep. So click on. So guys, is never 4 3 1 minute, never. So guys, never. So guys, very simple method. Please how to step auto screen off window 10. So guys, very simple method. Please like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video guys.